The family just got back from a memorable vacation, with hundreds of photos and videos spread across multiple devices. It's a digital mess that would take hours, days, maybe even weeks to sort manually. The countless moments captured, the joy, the laughter, the milestones, all lost in an unorganized digital pile. It's a daunting task that could take hours, if not days. Enter MediaCasa, your personal assistant for organizing digital memories. Picture this: a revolutionary solution that transforms your digital chaos into a well-structured, easy-to-navigate library. MediaCasa is not just a tool, it's your personal assistant, ready to turn your hours of work into a few simple clicks. With MediaCasa, you can consolidate photos and videos from different devices into one timeline with the ease of creating albums with a single click. Imagine having a pile of similar photos, all from the same event but slightly different. It's a common scenario, right? We take multiple shots to capture the perfect moment. But what do we do with all the extras? Here's where MediaCasa steps in. One of the unique features of MediaCasa is its smart technology that identifies similar photos. It then combines them into a single view, reducing clutter and redundancy. This means no more scrolling through endless similar photos to find the one you're looking for. Each photo now counts and contributes to the story, enhancing your digital narrative. With MediaCasa, say goodbye to repetitive photos and hello to a streamlined, efficient photo library. Watch as MediaCasa effortlessly organizes your vacation memories. MediaCasa offers features such as automatic album suggestions, effortlessly grouping your memories based on time and GPS data. It's like having your own personal curator, meticulously arranging your digital memories with precision. And it doesn't stop there. With MediaCasa, you can bid farewell to the confusing file names that make no sense. Welcome easy, logical file naming with date, album name, and group identifiers. It's like having your photos and videos tell their own stories, making it a breeze to locate that one special moment amidst your vast collection. In just a few minutes, your vacation memories are neatly organized and easily accessible. Why spend hours organizing when MediaCasa can do it in minutes? Embrace the future of photo and video organization. Give MediaCasa a try and experience the joy of finding your memories, not losing them. Because with MediaCasa, you're not just organizing your photos and videos, you're curating your life. Say goodbye to digital chaos and hello to MediaCasa, where every memory has its place. Choose MediaCasa, because your memories deserve more than just storage. They deserve a home.